people say they can see from the bridge us out here doing stuff, which is so interesting to think that people are just driving by, looking at stuff, looking around the river, and then boom, there's the love sign. It's just there. It's like that was totally the intention, just a little spark in people's day, just a little spark. They look down and see love. Quintessential universal message. If you're stuck in traffic on the bridge, it's not so bad. You look down, hey, look at that. It's kind of nice. What a pleasant little addition to my day.
And then we turned around and like, what is that? And it's this lovely, I thought it was so beautiful that someone like wanted to put it in the world, to have more love out there.
That was the intention originally, and now to keep that going, keep people thinking positive thoughts, now is when we need support from the community who gets to appreciate this, and all those it spreads to. We need that support from those people. Whoever that is, maybe it's you, maybe it's your friend, maybe it's both of you. But we need that support to make this thing a reality for long-term future. Please join in helping us save the love sign. Would appreciate any and all support from Portland and afar. Thank you very much. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Help save the love!